Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a Poppo Live account. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type Poppo Live and download the official app. Make sure it is published by Poppo Live Inc. to avoid fake versions. Once the download is complete, tap the Poppo Live icon to open the app. When it loads, you will see a welcome screen asking you to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Tap the small circle to accept, then continue. Next, you will see several sign-up options. You can register using your Google account, Facebook account, phone number, or Apple ID, depending on your device. Choose the option that is most convenient for you. If you choose Google, tap Continue with Google. Select the Google account you want to use, and the app will automatically sign you in. After that, Poppo Live may ask for permission to send notifications. You can allow or deny this based on your preference. Now, it will ask you to complete your personal data. Fill in the details and tap the Submit button. Now, your Poppo Live account is created. To confirm, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you can see your username, profile picture, and other account details. You can also edit your profile by tapping the Edit button, where you can upload a picture, add a nickname, or set your preferences. That's it. Thanks for watching.